Okay, good morning. Welcome to
AwesomeMath number 105.
AwesomeMath105. We are in the review section of our linear congruences book, and we solved a problem very similar to this today.
Yep.
And I thought I'd just make up a new one, and you would do it for the review section. Okay. So 18x minus 157 equals 233 mod 20.
Well,
Whoa.
The first thing we could do here, we can do everything mod 20. Well, 18x doesn't change. Well, we could also say minus 2x. I want to keep it positive.
Okay.
Minus 157 minus, I think, 17.
Okay, how come?
Because you can ignore this digit.
Right.
Because you can make it out of 20 times 5s.
Okay.
So, and 50, you can 50 minus 40 is 10.
All right.
So then you get 17.
Ah, okay. But the problem is that it's negative. So, is it minus 17? Is it okay that it's negative? Is this 17 less than a multiple of 20?
Well, then it would also be plus 3 then.
Is it 3 more than a multiple of 20? Is minus 157 3 more than a multiple of 20? We just have to be sure.
It's 3 less.
3 less than what?
It's 3 less than 160.
Then is it 3 less than minus 160? Or is it 3 more than minus 160?
Well, it's 3, it's actually 3, it's 3 more.
It's 3 more than minus 160, so it's plus 3 or minus 17. So that's okay. We just got to be careful with those negatives.
Yeah.
Okay? All right?
So now is equals congruent to 200. So one is 13. And then
Mod 20. Okay. With positives, it's a little easier to see.
yeah.
All right.
And we can add 17 to both sides. So then we get 18x is congruent to 30. 20. And then we can convert 30 to 10. Not 20.
Okay.
So, and then we can use that rule that we can take out. We can take out a 2 from everything if everything has a 2 in it.
All right.
So this becomes 9x is equal to 5. 9, 10.
All right.
And now we're going to have an inverse, and that inverse is itself, because 9 is actually minus 1 by 10, and minus 1 times minus 1 is 1.
Ah, interesting.
We can use that rule.
All right, so we multiply by 9 inverse, but 9 inverse is 9. Okay.
So we get x, 5 times 9, 45, 10, x, congruent to 5, mod 10.
So we get x is congruent to 5 mod 10.
And now we can check it.
All right.
Well, I have to do 18 times 5. 90.
All right. So why don't you write down here, does 90 minus 157, is that congruent to 233 mod 20?
can add 157 to both sides. So we get 90 is congruent to, well, this would be 390
Alright, so is 90 congruent to 390
mod
mod 20?
20. Well, again, we can ignore this part and we get 90 is congruent to 90.
Why can we ignore the 300 part?
Because you can make that, you can make any number of 100s and pass that out of 20s, because 20 times 5 is 100.
Very good. Very good observation.
So, and looks like they are congruent mod 20.
Hey, so we found this very complicated solution, or equation, I mean. 18x minus 157 congruent to 233 mod 20 had a solution. X is congruent to 5 mod 10. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, good work on that. Very good work. You like congruences?
Yeah.
It's been a fun topic. Well, we got one more day left in number theory.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be sad to see number theory go?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've really enjoyed it. Good job this morning, huh?